Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's video we are going to talk about two interesting things. One of which was doing rounds past few days in the news media, that is the online gaming bill. And second thing is something that I woke up to this morning was the SEBI raid that was conducted on a influencer who was guiding people on trading. Have you seen these ads? आज मैंने रमी खेलकर 2,000 रुपये कमाए हैं और मैं ये मेरे फ्री टाइम में खेलकर पैसे कमा सकती हूँ. हैव यू सीन दीज एड्स? डेफिनेटली बच्चे बच्चे ने देखा होगा ये एड. एंड it used to be so irritating for a person like me who guides people how to properly invest. I used to hate those ads to the core because many a times they used to be targeted to a particular segment, especially housewife, who they portrayed that they had some little bit time and how they could play these particular rummy games or any other online games for that matter and make some quick bucks. It used to be targeted to some idle people also who might get some time in the day to day business time, and they would make some money, especially these taxi drivers, auto drivers, and and medium businesses who used to run their grocery stores or kirana stores, etc. I had my friends who used to play this Team 11, or sorry, Dream 11, or some 11 circle something. They used to make cricket team banao. And I used to ask him, Are, have you done SIP? He used to say, okay, we'll do it next month. And that next month till date has never come. But whenever he used to meet me, he used to tell me, small money we have to put in this particular app, and we will make so much money that nobody ever could imagine. This is the thought what my friend had. Similarly, he used to tell me it used to give him some adrenaline rush when we used to do that particular gaming on the app. I used to be really surprised that how many people are falling prey to these particular apps. And definitely, yes, the government has brought in a new law which bans these money games online. Now, let us talk about the second thing. This particular influencer, I used to see ads, they used to show two things. One, kitna maza aaya, and there used to be lot of janta behind him, and they used to say, kitna maza aaya, itna. This is what they used to do. Further, they used to get some old lady, especially senior citizen. It was a targeted way of marketing where they used to get a senior citizen lady, they used to ask her that how much did you earn today, and she used to say I invested 5,000 rupees, and at the end of the day she made something 1 lakh or 2 lakh or rupees. I used to be surprised by seeing this. Then they used to get a kid, not less than 18-year-old kid. They used to ask him, how much money did you make today? And he used to tell, see, I bought this call option over here and I sold it over there at that particular rate, and I made 2 lakhs to 3 lakh rupees in a day. And people used to get that adrenaline rush, they used to clap, and there was some laughter in the entire hall. This used to be a targeted marketing trick by these particular influencers. I would say everybody who talks about these kind of trading. In fact, updated SEBI report reveals that 91% of the individual traders have lost money in FY25. Further, the losses are upwards of 1 lakh crores. But if you talk to these same people of investing in a structured way and for a long term goal, they would say yes, they will do it tomorrow, they will do it next month, next year, which never comes. But forget quick rich money schemes, everybody has time. Further, one thing what we need to know as a society, that these particular influencers who teach so-called trading or making quick bucks, why are they doing charity? Can't they do trading on their own day-to-day basis and Can't they do 10 ka 20, 20 ka 40, 40 ka 80? Can't they do that and be the next Mukesh Ambani or Elon Musk? Why do they need us? Or why are they doing charity at the end of the day by teaching this? I'm surprised how come we say we still have people below poverty line. So these are the questions we need to ask. I'm damn sure if anybody of you who is watching this video has done some kind of day trading or FNO trading or call and put option trading or currency options, etc., has never ever made money. Definitely you might have lost something or the other. So friends, it is a thoughtful request from a long-term investor like me that do not fall prey to such kind of gaming as well as trading apps. I will post the description in the description of this video the link for the SEBI report, as well as I will post the link of the SEBI raid that has been conducted today. Thank you.